If every time that your computer loses power from the wall, or when you simply switch your power supply off, your computer gives you a message like this saying that the UEFI defaults have been loaded or your CMOS has been reset, well, it means one thing, and that is a dead CMOS battery. See this little CR2032 battery right here that looks like it belongs in a watch is what's called a CMOS battery. And it's got a very simple job to provide just a little bit of power to the motherboard when you happen to lose power from the wall. This way, your motherboard can remember two important things. First, your real-time clock, which is in charge of your date and time information, which is why this motherboard still thinks it's 2019. And to keep power to your computer's BIOS chip, which remembers things like your boot order, memory overclocking profiles, and any tweaks you made in your BIOS. And although for the most part your system will run perfectly fine even if this happens to be dead, it's more of an annoyance anyways because things like your XMP profile or Expo profiles on your memory get reset every single time your system loses power. The good thing, these CR2032 batteries cost less than $1 to fix, because if you just push down on the side lever, you can pull the battery right out. And just because I always like to confirm my tests, I do have a little battery tester that shows that this battery is completely dead. And if you're curious what causes these batteries to fail, well, most of the time it's because your system sat for an extended period of time unplugged, which was the case with this system that sat for 2 years. And why sitting matters is that because it was unplugged and wasn't receiving power, basically this battery had to maintain that information on the motherboard for as long as possible until it just eventually failed. So to fix this, all we got to do is just grab a replacement and snap it into place just like that. After changing that, you will get the error one more time, but the next time you lose power and turn your system back on, the system will allow you to bypass that error. So if you ever see an error saying that your UEFI defaults have been reloaded or your CMOS has been reset, just know it's just this little battery causing the problem.